Okay, guys. I'm not gonna post that one because you couldn't hear it. I just had to watch it. So I deleted it. But now I'm actually going to show you the actual one that it's supposed to say. I hope I don't get banned. I hope this YouTube channel doesn't get banned. Yes, it's chicken wing dance. I like it. No, I had to use my headphones because I couldn't hear it, but now I can, kind of. I use the headphones. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, yeah, I do Fortnite videos, kind of do Roblox videos. Not that much. I actually don't do Roblox videos. I just did one Roblox video. I can't do that one again. But yeah, it's that dance. Yeah, it's that. Now I'm not gonna go into the Battle Royale because I don't want to. And I'm just gonna go to the item shop super quick. Now, this is in the item shop right now, right here, right now. That's an item shop. This is in the item shop. That's in the item shop. That's in the item shop. Now I got her. That's all in the item shop. So if you want to get stuff in the item shop, do it now. Because that's the only time that you're going to do it. And yes, I do want the glowing guy. Yeah, I'm sure what guy I want. This guy right here. This one right here. He comes in blue too. See? He comes in an evil form. And technically he's all evil. He's all evil. He is all evil. I don't know. But yeah, there's his blue form. He also has a red form, which I very like. Red form. That's his red form. And let me get a blue form really up close. So now, this is my form. I hate when my camera doesn't focus. But yeah, I like the red form because like it covers like the shoulder and the blue one kind of shows like the cover like I don't know how you can stand this, but red form, switch to blue form, back to red form. Yeah. Okay, so that one's the nice form, I guess. That one's the evil form. Okay, yeah. Alright, so he's not technically all evil. I just noticed that. But I really want that, his skin, and his pickaxe. His skin's coming in blue too. Tell me this skin comes in blue. The skin does not come in blue. Blue. But I really want the skin and the pickaxe and the guy. That's my mom. Meant to shake the camera. See if I can get it. He's kind of butt naked, but technically not. Yeah, there's two forms of her. This one. I don't know why there's not two forms of her. But this is. No, the only thing that's only red is technically the skin. The gun skin. That's the technically skin that does not turn blue. But probably when you have the blue form, it might turn blue. But yeah. There's him. That's the item shop. This is the whole item shop. You see now. You see now, guys. Peace. Bye.